If you want a gorgeous pan that will not only look beautiful sitting out in your kitchen, but is truly a joy to cook with, you are going to love this Always pan. I was just gifted it. I've already cooked a few dishes with it, and I cannot tell you how impressed I am. Now, before I show you all the pieces of this incredible pan, I want to point out one of my favorite things about our place, and that is that they promise that this is free of all of the forever chemicals like PFAs and the other ones, the PTFEs and the PFOAs, and lead and cadmium. It doesn't have any of that in its nonstick coating. Now, starting with the lid, it has this gorgeous textured exterior, this really nice to hold on to handle, and the interior has that non-stick coating, which is really, really nice, especially when cleaning. This cleans up so beautifully. This is also oven safe up to 450 degrees, as is the pan, so you can work between stovetop and in the oven as best suits whatever you're cooking. I really love that. And you may notice it has this notch here, and that is for the spatula. The spatula actually has its own notched place on the handle that it can sit on, and it has a little mark on the top, so you always know where that notch is, so you can put it down and let the spatula sit on the pot while you're cooking. It's also really nice when you're putting it away, as it keeps everything contained. Now, moving past the lid, this spatula is made of beechwood. It is beautiful and simple, and there is nothing questionable on it, like a varnish with unknown chemicals. It is just beechwood that you can add your own food grade oil, like a mineral oil to keep looking fantastic. I've already cooked with this a few times. Really nice to hold on to, beautiful lines, and that key piece is that opening so it can sit beautifully on your pan, and you're never reaching around for your spatula or making messes as it drips all over your counter. And then it comes with this fantastic stainless steel steamer basket. It has great little feet on the bottom, lots of holes to breathe and steam through, and the top is very clean. It has a slight indent around the exterior, and the middle is higher, but I have found that I can steam on any part of it with no issue, and that it does come with handles that pop up very cleanly, and I can pop them up and hold them with the beechwood spatula. So it's really easy to move this off or onto the pot and use as you want. And then the Always pan itself is incredible. Starting out, it has that non-stick surface all through it that's free of all those forever chemicals and lead and cadmium. It is their own proprietary non-stick, and it is impressive. It really doesn't let anything stick to it, and I feel so good about it. And it has this great handle on this side, really easy to hold on to, and this stay cool longer handle on this side. Obviously, this can all get warm over stovetop over time, so keep that in mind. But so far, this has stayed nice and cool for me. It has the little point where the spatula hooks onto, and you can see it actually has spouts on both sides for easy pouring when you want to pour out whatever you're cooking. So it's really nicely designed. And on the bottom, it has this really nice, thick, beautiful base. It's a mixture of metals, so it gives you that really even cooking experience here. And as I've been cooking, it has been really nice and even. And on the bottom, it points out that you can not only use this on gas or electric stovetops, but this is also induction ready. So you can use this on all the different stovetops. And along the bottom, it does say that it's PFA-free, and the brand name for their nonstick is Thermakind. I really love that. Now, so far I've cooked 2 quick meals with this. I steamed some dumplings for my kids, and those came out beautifully. I am so thrilled to have a steamer. The one thing I would note is when you steam, these little spout points and the opening here will have some steam come out of them as well, which is perfectly normal and totally fine, but just something that you want to be aware of. And I also cooked up some cabbage for a Kailua pork dinner. And again, really beautiful experience. And that's where I really got to test this nonstick. Really great all around. I think the thing that stands out to me most about this pan is what a joy it truly is to cook with. It's so beautiful, and it really gives you all of the little features you want in a cooking experience. And I think the spot for the spatula might be my favorite, as it really does remove that mess, keeps it all in the pan, and just makes it wonderful. If you are looking at this at all, I think you're going to love this pan. I seriously am already considering getting their perfect pot as well, as I am in love with this pan, and I would love to have such gorgeous, inviting cookware in my kitchen. It's just a real treat all around. I highly recommend this pan.